Okay, so I know that right now I look like a prisoner here with this background and with this setup. I just wanted to show the newest thing that I have been able to do with, again, with vibe coding. And how this is all kind of starting to tie together. So this is honestly really cool and a really cool thing that you can do. And again, like mainly these videos are just meant to be like cool ideas of things that you can do for yourself and like how I am using them inside of a real business that's actually driving real results and is actually doing something. Rather than maybe just like theory. So I recently actually found out that inside of Google Scripts, you can create specific or like Google Scripts can do certain things and it's completely free. And so I have my client portal here. And this is what I just added in today. So if you create a campaign, right? So this is for YouTube. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, nice background, whatever. Google.com, Nike.com, use the pretty pictures. Okay, so what this does obviously is well, not maybe not obviously, but what this does is this creates an email task inside of my Asana account. And so it goes in, it creates the task, and then what this little script here does is this goes and it finds the actual Google Doc like template. So we can see right here now this is inside of the dashboard. But so what this does is it goes and finds the Google Doc template, it copies it, it moves it to the right folder. But the difference in what I just pushed today is so before all of this just came inside of the description, which is really useful. We now have this info right here, and so we can go and we can do the next steps. But what I was just able to push today is that it actually goes in and inserts this inside of the Google Doc itself. And so right here, you can see this has all of the data in it. It has the client name, it has the date that this is going out. Again, so we're an email agency, so these dates are important. And then it brings in the title, and then takes all of that information that we had that the client just shared with us and actually puts it inside of their email. Now, before this is helpful enough, my team takes this and then would put this inside of the Google Doc and then move it along to the next process because we have all of these things right here, right? So we have our write, our design, our internal review and upload, and then we have our internal review and upload the review link, and then we have the upload the email phase. But now this is just getting like a little bit better. Well, this is all my code. This is just getting a little bit better, a little bit cleaner, a little bit cooler. And so, yeah, I just wanted to share this because I think it's really badass. I know that it's obviously pretty nerdy, but I thought it was cool. So I figured I would shoot this video about it really quick and just show you kind of what you can do with some of these things. Again, this is just using a Google script. These are also, the other thing that's really cool is these are completely free. Google Scripts do not cost anything. So a lot of this is built on like AWS, which then pushes into Google Script, which then goes back to AWS, which pushes into Asana. But yeah, there's a ton of stuff that you can do with these. And so I thought that this was really cool. This is just kind of like how I made it a little bit better today, was again, just taking the info that came from here and then again, pushing it into the actual doc itself. Which, yeah, just a little bit better, a little bit faster, a little bit more efficient, et cetera, et cetera. So yeah, again, this was all built with Cloud Code, 100% vibe coding. I do not know anything about actually coding. So yeah, just figured I'd share. I thought it was cool, and see you in the next one.